COVID-19 is blamed for a surge in deaths among Medicare patients in nursing homes. Those deaths increased by 32% last year. The report found about 40% of Medicare recipients in nursing homes had or likely had COVID-19 last year, recording nearly 170,000 more deaths than the year before. Investigators did not examine individual death certificates for the Medicare patients, instead comparing the overall deaths among those in nursing homes to the previous year's numbers, according to the Associated Press. New data from the president's coronavirus response team indicates more than 70% of Americans 30 and older have had at least one dose of the vaccine. Still, the administration is now acknowledging it may not hit its July 4th goal for vaccinations nationwide as a new, highly contagious strain of the virus begins to take its toll. Reporter Jay Gray has more.
We now know the shot in the arm the White House has been targeting will fall a bit short of its mark. The administration, for the first time today, acknowledging it won't hit its goal of 70% of adults with at least one dose of the COVID vaccine by the 4th of July.
Where the country has more work to do is particularly with 18 to 26-year-olds. The reality is many younger Americans have felt like COVID-19 is not something that impacts them, and they've been less eager to get the shot.
That assessment from the COVID response team comes as the country continues to reopen. Millions taking off their masks, businesses at full capacity. Second lines even returning to the streets in the Big Easy. Though doctors warn there's nothing easy or over when it comes to the fight against the virus.
If you are vaccinated, you are protected. If you are not, the threat of variants is real and growing.
More contagious and deadly, the latest strain responsible for 1 in 5 new cases of COVID in the U.S. and fueling what has been a recent jump in new cases in several states. Growing concern the Delta variant could lead to a major resurgence this fall.
It's coming. You're at risk. You're a sitting duck if you're not vaccinated.
Data shows the 2-shot vaccines are highly effective against the Delta variant. Jay Gray, NBC News.
If you're looking for more places to get the vaccine, use our VNL vaccine tracker. It's on the homepage of our website. Or you can open your phone camera and point it at the QR code on your screen, then tap the link that pops up. One of the country's largest drugstore chains is doing a giveaway to promote COVID-19 vaccinations. Walgreens says it will give $25 of in-store credit to anyone who gets a vaccine there over the next several days. Customers will get the credit through a gift card or loaded onto a My Walgreens account. For kids between the ages of 12 and 15 who get vaccinated, their parents will get the store credit. Walgreens will offer the $25 through June 26th. That morning cup of joe could be doing your liver a favor. A new study shows that regular coffee drinkers are 21% less likely to develop chronic liver disease and 49% less likely to die from it. Ground coffee produced the best results in this study, but there were also some benefits to instant coffee. But too much caffeine can be dangerous. Drinking more than 4 cups of coffee a day during pregnancy has been linked to low birth weight and preterm birth. The wireless industry is ramping up its fight against spam robocalls. Coming up, what it's doing to make sure those calls don't get through to your phone.